Okay, hi class. Today we're going to learn about chapter 5, matter, solid, liquid and gas. So these are the keywords for this chapter. Okay, 5.1, matter in nature. What is a matter? So matter is a substance that has mass and occupies space. Almost everything in nature is matter. So matter can be divided into two, which are the living things and also the non-living things. So this is activity 1. Okay, we need two same size of balloon. Okay, then tie the balloon to the string and tie it to the ruler, like in this figure. Then use a pin to prick the balloon. Let's see what will happen. Okay, the balloon will tilt like this. So we can conclude that air has mass. And this is the activity 2. Activity 2, we want to show that air occupies space. So for this activity, the conclusion is air occupies space. Physical properties of matter. Properties that can be identified by our 5 senses or measuring tools depend on the type of material it is made of. Example of physical properties. Okay, then the pen is made of heat conductors such as steel, while the handle is made of heat insulator such as plastic. Okay, the next physical properties is the different liquids have different boiling points. So the boiling point is one of the physical properties. Another one is melting point. Melting point of ice is at the temperature at which ice changes to liquid at certain temperature. Okay, now let's see what is chemical properties of matter. The properties that become evident when it changed to a new substance. So a matter which changed to a new substance, we can say that it has chemical properties, new properties. It depends on the reaction that occurs upon the substance. The new substance produced from the chemical reaction has different composition from original substance. Chemical properties of matter. Example of chemical properties. Okay, this is example. Rusting occurs on iron when it is exposed to water and air. So rusting is a chemical process that produces a new substance. Okay, from iron it changed to iron oxide. And petrol is flammable matter. So when the petrol is burning, so a chemical process happen. So it's said to have chemical properties. How can we classify materials by their different characteristics? Okay, so we can classify the materials by density, melting point and boiling point, and also the solubility. First, what is density? Density of a matter is the mass per unit volume of that material. This is the definition of density. And then the lower density will float. Okay, so object with higher density will sink. So in this example, we can see that the oil is on the top. So oil is less dense than water and sand. Okay, sand is at the bottom, it sinks. So the sand is has higher density or denser than the other material. Okay, next, number 2 is the melting point and boiling point. Melting point, the temperature at which a substance changes from solid to liquid. Example, the ice. Okay, ice melt to become water, so from solid to liquid. And then the boiling point, the temperature at which a substance changes from liquid to gas. So, water, if you boil the water, and then it will change, it will boil and evaporate. So the water vapor, okay, is the gas lah. Okay, so you can refer table 5.2 on page 143. This is the example. Okay, next is solubility. What is solubility? Ability of substance to dissolve in a given amount of solvent to form a solution. Ability of a substance to dissolve in a given amount. Okay, dissolve. Okay, given amount of solvent to form a solution. Okay, depend on the physical and chemical properties of its solute and solvent. What is solute and what is solvent, we'll find out after this. Okay, next is the different substance have different solubility. Okay, the keyword for solubility is dissolve. Okay, now is the example of solute and solvent. Sugar can dissolve in coffee. This is sugar. Okay, sugar is a solute. Coffee or water is the solvent. Okay, salt and water. Water is the solvent. Salt is the solute. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.